Thank you. Thank you, Madam Thuy, for your heartfelt message. It truly is an impressive manufacturing complex. Now, please welcome Vinfast Global CEO Michael Loscheller to the stage, who will share Vinfast Global Vision.
I'm Michael Loscheller, Global CEO of Vinfast, and on behalf of our entire team, I offer my sincere thanks and appreciation for joining us here today at the LA show. Today is a milestone day in Vinfast history. We proudly unveil our first electric vehicles for the global market, designed to inspire while creating access to world-class electric vehicles to customers around the world. At Vinfast, we don't hold ourselves to old constraints. As many of you know, the company is just over 4 years old. But in that short time, we like to think that we have been boundless. We have broken the mold of how an automaker should think, how it should operate, and how it should design for the customers. The VF E35 and the VF E36 are remarkable electric vehicles. There are SUVs that will include advanced features and standards for safety, comfort, entertainment. They will be extremely competitive in their class from a features, experience, and cost point of view. And we are especially pleased to unveil our electric vehicles here at the Los Angeles Auto Show. This show has historically been at the heart of new advancement in the global auto industry, and of late has showcased dozens of new, exciting EVs at the forefront of the electric revolution in which we are in now. We are extremely pleased to join that group, and we thank the LA Auto Show for their support. I now want to share more on our vision and plans for the future. We just saw within the last 2 weeks the world coming together in Scotland at the COP26, working extraordinarily hard to find solutions to the climate crisis. We see a future where people, communities, cities and regions are not isolated entities, but intertwined and connected with each other. We are deeply motivated to inspire our customers to be bold and join the revolution to EVs to accelerate solutions that will address this crisis. And as we formally open our US headquarters here in Los Angeles, we also announce our vision of the future of mobility, rooted in the smart services, the customer experience, and profound belief that we must rethink how the automotive industry impacts the planet and our children's future. So talking about children on a personal level, the most common question I hear is, why did you join Vinfast? And one of the reasons is actually that my children request electric cars at our home, so that's a good fit. And on a professional level, I've been in the industry for decades. I've seen firsthand companies with ambitious plans and grand ideas, many of which never saw the light of day. I can clearly see that Vinfast is different. Not only is there the aspiration, the desire, and the commitment to realize our vision, there is the will. The will, the determination to do what others say can't be done, to achieve goals that some say can't be met. And on top of all, Vinfast is the new fast, the amazing speed that I can hardly see in this industry. Vinfast has astonished me and other international colleagues multiple times with a bold strategy, the well-thought market research, and the determination to create world-class electric vehicles. I am impressed by Vinfast's last 4 years and can't wait to be part of this upcoming boundless journey with Vinfast. We have come from the spark of an idea in 2017 to a fully formed global automaker in 2021. We plan to have direct, open orders available to global markets next spring and plan to deliver our first electric vehicles by the end of 2022. We have been connecting intelligence globally by collaborating with leading partners from multiple industries, as well as harnessing the R&D power from Vingroup's own technology ecosystem, such as VinAI and Ventix, who are also with us here today. We will continue to bring all the resources to bear in creating world-class vehicles for the world. And now it's showtime. It's my distinct pleasure to invite Dave Line, our Chief Designer, on stage. Dave, stage is yours.
Thank you.
Hello, and thank you for joining us at this really exciting event. It is my pleasure to show you the first vehicles we will launch globally next year. But before I do that, I'd like to share just a little bit about the VinFast design philosophy. See, VinFast vehicles are electric, so our front-end identity is not based on the shape of a grille like most manufacturers have relied on for the past 100 years. Our unique signature comes from the lighting. We light the frame of the V logo, and it sweeps out to the corners of the car. V is in Vietnam, V is in Vingroup, V is in VinFast. All right, this lighting illuminates our brand day and night. And while our vehicles share this unique front-end signature, we've worked hard with our design partner, Pininfarina, to ensure each of our cars offers a unique character and style statement. These designs capture the desires of customers in each segment of the market. So when we developed the VF E35, for example, we set out to create a vehicle with modern proportions and a surfacing language we call dynamic balance. The soft, curved forms of the 35 are punctuated with sharp, crisp lines. They contribute power and forward motion to the design. And while the lines are dynamic, the team worked to orchestrate them to be in balance and harmony with each other. Now, the VF E36, on the other hand, is quite different. It strongly presents a very wide-shouldered style that full-size SUV buyers love. All right, and while many typical SUV details are based on conventional off-road vehicle characteristics, the 36's detailing improves aerodynamics and extends the EV range. These are things like we have air curtains on the front end and the hood that divert air away from high-drag areas. The door handles, the glass, and the trim are all super flush to the body side. And an aerodynamic sloping roofline and tapering side glass all aid with aerodynamics. Now, inside our vehicles, there's a unique blend of simplified technology and hand craftsmanship. Instead of asking the driver to look down for information, a full-color heads-up display projects information into the windshield, right in the driver's line of sight. And a beautiful 15.5-inch touchscreen minimizes the number of physical buttons and simplifies the interface. The drivers can customize their viewing preferences, including how much information they want. One of my favorite parts is the ultimate simplification. We call it Zen mode. With one swipe, you can turn the display into a digital picture frame for your own favorite image. And the interior trim in each VinFast is completed in our factory in Vietnam, creating an environment that feels luxurious and custom tailored. With that, let's witness the moment. Hey, VinFast, let's start.
Okay, get ready for the future of mobility.
The journey to a more sustainable future begins with a road, a trajectory, directing us from someplace now to someplace new. Starting from a vision, a strategy, a desire to drive the global electric vehicle evolution. Shifting from smart mobility for some to smart mobility for all. Changing a crowded sky to a clear one. Moving technology to the background so we can connect with nature in the foreground. Our destination is the future. Join the charge.
Now, please welcome Mr. Michael Loscheller and David Lyon back to the stage for the special unveiling moment. Now, without any further ado, it's our pleasure to unveil the newest cars from Vinfast. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Michael Loscheller to unveil the VF E35.